when you're doing percentages, what you do is you split what you've got into 100 pieces, and then it's up to you what you want to do with those 100 pieces. So, for example, let's say you won a mini lottery. Let's say £826. It could be dollars. It could be anything. So basically, this is your whole thing. Now, with percentages, you get your whole thing. Whatever it is, it could be it could be any amount or anything. It could be an elephant or a mouse. It's up to you. You split it up into 100 pieces. Okay, so you could if you want. You got an elephant here. Somehow cut it up into 100 pieces, or you could have a tiny mouse here. It doesn't matter. Cut it up into 100 pieces, and then it's up to you what you want to do with those pieces. So, for example, this is our whole amount here. We are going to cut up into 100 pieces. So so it will look like this. Hang on. So 0 here, and 1 represents our whole amount. This is our whole amount. Now, when you have a whole amount of anything, if you cut up into 100 pieces, you're going to have 100 pieces down here. Okay. Hang on, bear with me. So imagine you've got one whole of anything. You divide it by 100. It means you've got 100 pieces to play around with. It's up to you. It's up to you what you want to do with those 100 pieces. So let's say you won a mini lottery here, and let's say you're going to give, let's say, 7 pieces or 7% to charity. Okay. So this would be to charity. And it's 7% going to charity. Okay, hang on, let me just move this across. 826. So 1 here represents a whole of something. You're giving 7% to charity. Okay, so what that means is, well, this is your starting whole thing, whatever. It could be anything. Okay. Now this is your whole thing here. So what you do, you get your whole thing. You split it into 100 pieces, and then you're going to and then you're going to times 7, because you're giving 7 pieces to charity. Okay. So this bit here represents your 1 piece. Represents your 1 piece, and then you're giving 7 pieces to charity. So if you get a calculator out, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Sorry. Okay. Let's just say you got your 100 pieces. Your whole thing is 826 pounds or dollars or whatever. And then you divide it by 100. That means you're cutting into 100 pieces. So each piece is actually £8.26. You're giving 7 pieces to charity. So you're giving 7% to charity. So you times by 7 equals this. Equals 57.82. So it equals 57.82. So 7% of your mini lottery win is 57.82 pounds. Okay. Now let's say you're going to give. Don't forget you've got 100 pieces. Let's say you're going to give 13 pieces to your mum. Okay. So 13% going to mum. Let's put it over here, mum, and this is charity. Okay. Hang on, let me tidy this up. So you're giving 13% to mum. So what that means is, well, get your hold of something, which is 826. Divide it into 100 equal parts, and then remember you're giving 13 pieces to your mum. So get your calculator out, clear everything. So your whole amount is 826, and you're going to split it into 100 pieces, and then you're going to give 13 pieces to your mum. So times 13. So 13% of whatever of that thing there is 107, 107.35, 107.35 pounds going to your mum. Okay, it could be dollars, it could be anything. Okay, and let's say your dad's not being nice to you today, so let's only give him 3%. So that means you're giving 3 pieces to your dad. Okay, so 3% to your dad. Hang on. So what that means is, well, start with your one whole thing, which is 826. Divide it into 100 pieces, and then you're only going to give 3 pieces to your dad. Okay, so now jump to your calculator. So your whole amount is 826. Split it up into 100 pieces. And what do you want to do with those pieces? You're going to give 3 pieces to your dad. So times 3. Okay, times 3 equals £24.78. Hang on. £24.78. So if you win a mini lottery here, if you want to give 7% to charity, that's how much will be going to charity. Okay, if you're giving 13% to your mum, this much will go to your mum, £177 and 37 pence. If you're going to give 3% to your dad, you see compared to your mum, your dad's only got a tiny amount. Your dad's got 100. Your mum's got 100 something pounds. Your dad's only got about 25 pounds. Well, anyway, how much is left for you? So remember, you've got 100 pieces. So all this here, hang on, you've given all these here, you've given, hang on, 7 pieces plus 13 pieces plus 3 pieces. So this here will be 20 pieces, 23 pieces. Don't forget, you've given 23 pieces or percent to other people. So and you've only got 100 pieces. So wait, 100 take away 23. So this would be 9, 1. Well, anyway, you've got 77 pieces left. If you've got 100 pieces and you've given 23 pieces away to other people, you've only got 77 pieces left. So this bit here is 77. So if you want to know how much you've got left, well, get your whole amount, which is 826, divide it into 100 pieces, and then don't forget you've got 77 pieces. So times 77, that equals, wait there, hang on, that equals, clear it, 826, split into 100 pieces, and then don't forget you've only got 77 pieces left. So times 77 equals 636 and 2 pence. 636 and 2 pence. Okay, so this is what's left for you. Okay, and if you add up all these together, it should come to your original amount. Okay, so if you don't believe me, get your calculator, add up, get this amount, because remember this is what charity is getting. Add it to your mum's amount, add it to your dad's amount, add it to your amount, and it should come up to your original amount. Okay. In the next video, I will give you some more examples.